So I want to move this one. This yellow needs to be here. And this blue and yellow is in the perfect spot because this yellow needs to be here, which is one rotation away. So since I just have one rotation to fit here, I can actually should be able to move it by isolating that area. So I probably want to do it like that. Dang, that's right where I want it. So I want to wash the orange. Sorry, you can't see what I'm doing. So see, I moved that blue piece right here. And now I just have to put this piece back over here, which is going to be easy because I just do it like that. See? So now I have this blue piece right where it needs to be here. The bottom hasn't changed, which is good because we want to keep our landmarks. I still need to put this middle piece here, but I really wanted to move this piece without moving the rest of it, and I did. So now I have this green piece, these two corner pieces, and this one left.